I do have a hat that I had made before I left the United States about 2 months ago. And I have not wore it on cam yet. I definitely need to start doing that. Very nice. Those are chicken fried donuts, or donut fried chicken, I'm sorry. And I have tried them and they are very good. Unfortunately, some of these menus have both Chinese and English, but there's a lot of them that are Chinese only. Makes it a little difficult.
On the way back, okay. I think he wants to.
A lot of good food through there. Too bad.
Hello.
Too bad it's too crowded to kind of stop and take a look at what they offer. These booths here are normally down further on the main street. I've ate at her booth a couple times. The food is pretty good. Well, there's a booth with the stinky tofu, but I think there's another booth I know down here. I think that I want to go to Ed. Okay, to change my gimbal settings. Seems like I'm always pointing it in the wrong direction. Right there's the booth I wanted to go to, but she is closed. Yeah. Fortunately, I can't read her menu. Sweet potato balls I've tried. I've not tried the chive spring rolls, but I plan to. So we'll go back to this small vendor on the corner. I could smell the tofu and I was getting close. Kind of reminds you of dirty feet. It don't smell like that after it's cooked, The reason for the smell is because it's fermented tofu. There he is. A lot of these vendors are unlicensed, and when the police come, they all take off. So they normally just go down the road. They know where to go. They do it all the time. Saw a guy earlier, just down there, actually right under that sign. He was in a costume, got ticketed earlier. I guess nobody warned him in time, and right there is where the police normally turn in. So, get back to what's at hand. I got my stinky tofu, and there is a place down at the end here where it gets dark again. Should be a good place to give it a try. Tried some other interesting foods in Taipei in other videos. You should check them out. I have started leaving playlist links in the descriptions. So if you're interested in any of the videos, the places I've been, pull up any one of the videos and you will find a playlist in the description. So definitely check out my first time in Taipei video. I did it down this area, but I covered a lot more, including the Red House and some other restaurants. And believe me, that night it was crowded. All right, here's where I'm going. I was hoping that nobody would be here, but they are. Okay, here it goes. This is my first time trying the stinky tofu. Has a little bit of cabbage with it, so that helps. And again, if you want to see what it looks like regular tofu. I'm a little hesitant, but this is what I came out tonight to do, and this is what I'm going to do. It's not as bad as I expected. A little crunchy. Kind of got a hint of chewing on dirty socks. I know that don't make it sound better, but what do you expect from something called stinky tofu? So I'm gonna try one more piece. This is not something that I would ever buy as a regular snack. This may be a one-time thing. I seriously doubt that I'm gonna get cravings for this in the future. But stranger things have happened. Okay, it kind of grows on you, or numbs you, I'm not sure which. But first piece is the worst. It gets a little bit better after that. I guess it's something you can get used to. I don't think it's anything that's going to be a big hit in America. No. That's the end of our video, so thank you for watching, and check out our other videos on Taiwan. I'll see you in the next video.